Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we want to go ahead and talk about NVIDIA. There's been so many things that have gone well for the stock, so many things that aren't going well. So we're going to be talking and just doing a full detailed video on this. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you guys want to learn more about investing and trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. I'll put it down below. And you guys can get 50% off by using code FIRST50. It's only valid for the first 50 people. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And also, while you're down there, check out our merch. All right. Enough with me talking about stuff. Let's talk about NVIDIA. All right. So NVIDIA stock here, we can see this huge sell-off from about $112 all the way down to about $100. So, this sell-off for this stock was significant. And the reason why is because the US government has informed NVIDIA that it requires a license for exporting H20 circuits or other performance chips to China, including Hong Kong. So obviously, when you can't sell to a country, this causes a lot of things to happen. We could see a slowdown on earnings, we could see volatility, and that's kind of what we've experienced out of NVIDIA over the past couple of weeks here is just slow and steady downward selling pressure. But actually, the CEO of NVIDIA came out and said that they made a surprise visit to Beijing after the US restricts chip sales to China. So what could we see with NVIDIA? Well, the first thing is if this just continues, which NVIDIA has had pauses in chips in the past, and the government's idea behind this is you don't want another country, especially a world superpower, to pass us on AI development. And so this is what we'll have a tendency of seeing is, these government come in and say, NVIDIA, you can't give them, or sell them these chips. So we've seen this in the past, but I really think that it's really cool to see a CEO taking this initiative to help figure out these deals. Also, another cool thing here is this here that NVIDIA pretty much plans to manufacture some of their AI chips in the United States. Now, they're hoping to produce about $500 billion right here. $500 billion in chips over the next 4 years. So this could be an astonishing good thing for the economy. This could bring jobs. This could bring a whole bunch of great stuff. But what we also could see is a $5.5 billion loss because they can't ship to China. So right now here, and the China market makes up about 13% of all of NVIDIA's revenue. Okay, so yes, I think that from a long-term perspective, when it comes with NVIDIA, is this going to be a big deal? Not really. I think that sell-off, the short-term sell-off that we're seeing is going to be short-lived. I think that this has been a thing that's been coming for a while. If we just look at the stock chart, this thing was just getting so much buying pressure. It was like every week, every month, this stock was up 10%, 20%, hitting highs. And this is the first real significant decrease we've seen in share price, going from 150 all the way down to about $100. So people ask, they go, Carter, where is your buy zone? For me, at least, I think my buy zone is going to be from about $80. Right in this window is going to be where I start going heavy. I missed the move down here at 88. But now we have alerts set. We're going to be ready to rock and roll if this thing does sell off. And if it does sell off, this is going to be a stock that I'm going to be holding for a while. This could be easily a long-term perspective growth stock. So, that's what's going on. It's just so many things coming out, different news, different, tariffs, different things. And yeah, could there be ways around where NVIDIA gets product to China? I'm sure there is, by going to other countries or whatever it may be, right? Going to other countries and then having them ship it to China. So I'm sure there is ways, but On the other hand, if we can get these tariff wars and these trade wars figured out beforehand, it could save NVIDIA some money. I'm sure this stock will go crazy if that happens. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. And like always, this is just my opinion. So do your own research before you invest. I'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.